So Teddy says she gave Mongd money for her lobola because he was broke.
Yeah. Noma ngabe ungathi le ndoda yami ngayinganamali ngangishade mina for the fact ukuthi I had money ukuthi ngimnike ayongilobola, it means something. Yeah, Tebogo, is not my fault ukuthi wena awukashadi. Asifanani. Mina ngaba no boy no girl emshadweni Tebogo. Ngayifila iwarmth yomshado. Mina ngibuya ngami Tebogo. Ngiyarenta manje. You understand? Tebogo akusi fault yami ukuthi wena ukazi ube nendoda ekugunda amashisha upheke. Bayahamba. Bese mina ukhipha isisu. No, Tebogo akusi fault yami. Tebogo mina ngigundwe amashishi ngimithi athi umfana ethi ngigunde baby. Ngangishadile. No iBhayibheli asilibeke Tebogo. Thilisusi ngilibeka. Ngizothi forgive us as we forgive those who trespass against us. Mase ngicede ngawe Tebogo. Tebogo phela mina angikwazi yabona iproblem ukuthi wena uyangazi. Yeah, Tebogo. Tebogo akusi fault yami ukuthi wena awunayi i-FNB private wealth. Yeah, no. Akusi fault yami ukuthi usebenzisa Capitec. Musu kwenza umthwalo wakho wami. Wena phela ubuntu makacela bakathi ufuna ukufakela imali wena umnikeza inamba i-cellphone number kanti akusi wonke umuntu okusebenzisa Capitec. Abanye abantu basebenzisa i-FNB like private wealth, private wealth.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video, guys. So that was Ugogo Skutini, of course, addressing a troll who goes by the name of Tebogo, you guys. Now Ugogo Skutini ended up mentioning things that she shouldn't have even bothered mentioning, you guys, as she was trying to prove a point to Tebogo. Skutini ended up saying that, you know what, yes, I got married. Yes, I am the one who gave Umonde, my ex-husband, money to lobola me because I could afford to do that, you guys, all because she wanted to prove it to Tebogo she has money. Because Skutini ended up reading the troll to filth on the live to a point where people were saying, Gogo Skutini, no, Atula CC, we have heard, you know, you, and there is truly no need for you to embarrass Umonde like that, make him feel less of a man by telling the rest of the world that, you know, you gave him money to lobola you because he was broke and didn't have money as a man to, you know, lobola you. It shows that maybe you were in the whole, you know, marriage thing all by yourself, which is why you decided to give Umonde that money to lobola you. And of course, you do know that Ugogo Skutini does not have any filters, so she went on to come for Tebogo's bank balance, saying that she does not use Capitec, but she uses FNB private wealth, and she doesn't have time to to go back and forth with someone who uses a Capitec account. Because Skutini basically read Tebogo wanted to filth, you guys, but in the long process she ended up embarrassing Umonde. People were saying in the comments, Gogo Skutini, you're embarrassing Umonde, you're making him feel like less of a man by telling people that you're the one who paid for your lobola. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course subscribe if you haven't yet done so.